In this video, I will show you how to create this modern looking fintech SaaS lending hero design using Elementor. So this is the design what we are going to create today. So first of all, go back to your page dashboard. Then click on this plus and click on flag box and this one. And then go back to this plus icon again, drag a container. Let's duplicate this container again. So now let's create the background. Go to the style and then click background type, choose image. As you can see, I already uploaded the images. So this is the background we are going to use. Just select this one and click on select. Position should be center, no repeat, display size, cover, and go back to advanced, add a padding. I am going to add 150, then bottom same. So on first container we have to add another container and we have to make the parent container direction row, and then we have to duplicate this container, so that will be 2 column. Now drag this heading widget and let me add the title. So this is the title. Go back to style and then typography, search on this one. Font size should be 45, line height should be 58, and change the color to white. Let's add a description. Copy this one. Color should be this one and font style will be enter. Size will be 18 pixel and line height 28. And now add element, click on button. Let's copy the text. Go back to style and then we have to change the background color. So I am choosing this one and color should be black. Border should be top 20, left 40, bottom 15, left 40. Border radius should be 8. And go back to typography. Font will be enter. Should be semi-bold. Should be uppercase. Go back to normal again and go back to content and add a arrow icon. This should be after the arrow, and there will be a icon spacing. Now let's add the image. So click on this plus icon and drag this image widgets, choose image, upload. You can upload the image by drag and drop in here, or you can just use the existing image. As I already have the images uploaded here, let me select this one, and this should be full. Let's create this review section. So go to this plus icon, add a container above this title. Now select a width 250, click on plus and then search on rating. So this should be 5 star. You can also increase or decrease the star. You can also add the negative rating over there, so I'm not going to do that. Go back to plus again and then add these heading widgets under this container. So now let's copy this review text, this one, paste in here, and then HTML text should be P. Go back to style, click on typography, then font family should be Inter, and font size will be 14, weight should be 400, and then color should be white. As you can see, these are line by line, so I want to make them in one line. So click on that container, and then direction should be row. Let's add a background. Go back to style and click on classic, add a black background, and then reduce this transparency. Now go back to advanced and add padding. Top should be 12, right 12, bottom should be 12, left should be 12 as well. We have to increase this container size so that it will be, let's add 280. Go back to advanced. Oh sorry, let's reduce this to 12. Now we have to add a border radius and border. Go back to border and then add border radius 20. Then it will be look like this. I'm going to add a border. Click on border type to solid. Then it should be 1 pixel, and border color should be this one. Now let's create the second section. Let's add a heading over there and make it center. We have to change the HTML tag to paragraph. Let me copy the text, paste over there. Click on style, then typography. After font family should be enter, font size should be 16, and then weight should be medium, then color should be white. Let's add this logo carousel, click on plus and then search image carousel, click on that and then add the images. So I'm going to add all of the images and then click on create a new gallery, insert gallery. So after that, image resolution should be full and then slide to show 6. I don't want to show the navigation, this and this as well, so this should be none. Go back to advanced option, autoplay speed should be 2000. Go back to style and spacing should be 50 so that it will fit. So after make the changes, just click on publish. If we visit the page, you can see the page is ready. So that's how you can create a modern looking hero design. So that's it for today.